this is take 2 of Mystic Pup Box because of these two troublemakers and my awful ability to figure out which way my camera is. So let's see if I can get this right this time. Okay, so I've already opened it, obviously. You can watch take 1. It's horrible. So my second unboxing, yeah, okay. This is Mystic Pup Box. I found it on Cratejoy for $45.75. And from when I opened it up, I liked it a lot, and so did my dog over there. So she's already had the excitement of opening it, so she doesn't care anymore. So maybe I can do this better. Alright. Mystic Pup Box. Do you see it? I'm not really reading this. I'm just kind of making sure my phone will focus. Okay, so that's what's in the box. And add. Okay, first we got a unicorn. She likes that sound. Unicorn dog toy. All this stuff. And we got unicorn shake awesome dog treats. And another treats. Training Rewards salmon flavored train me. Okay. Got a pretty bandana. It looks like crystals and a feather. Open that up. See what it looks like. Oh, now you're excited to see the harmony. Let's see. Let us see, man. Alright. I can get this straight. Very nice. Of course you have to walk on it. Come on. Go that way. So we can see. Pretty bandana. Some soap, amethyst with organic coconut milk, dirty soul soap. And I already opened it. And it's really pretty, sparkly. Soap. And that was it, right? Last but not least, awesome little bag, purple bag. And side is a beautiful amethyst with a copper wire wrapping. Looks like a tree. Very pretty. Okay. So, for this, where is my Amethyst April 2021 Mystic Pup Box. This is everything you receive. Two bags of treats, a dog toy, soap, and a pretty necklace. I love it. Okay, I think that this one went better. Hopefully my next unboxings will go more smoothly. Thank you for watching.